But yeah, this thing's, as long as you understand the concept of the task that you have to do and what you're trying to do, and that you're not trying to take off as much material as possible, you'll get the hang of it. And a little bit of a learning curve, but I'd say it's no more than probably one chain of a learning curve. Like by the time you do one full chain, you'll pretty much have it down pat. You'll know exactly what needs to be done. You don't want to stay in one tooth too long.